L-shaped living and dining area. So you can check out the kitchen area with the platforms, entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Vulcan Park, which is located in Chudasindra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. And about the land parcel is this land parcel of 51.5 acres of land parcel where the marketing office is built on and where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of 3D model. So this is total 51.5 acres of land parcel. And here, let's focus upon the phase 2, which consists of 2 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK amenities plus the lake-facing apartments. Now about the amenities part, so this project provides you 80 plus ultra-luxurious amenities like as you can check out, this is the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like saloon, resto, spa, bar, and even many more. Additionally, you can check out the outer amenities like a swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area, and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Chudasindra, Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that basically this is the internal road for the phase 2 and the project. Now about the further connectivity of the project, let me first tell you that this project is prime tri-junction to 3 main parts of Bangalore. Easily connection from Sarjapur main road, ORR and the electronic city as well. Coming to the further connectivity of the project. So Gattahalli road is 2 kilometers away from the project. Foodmax Hypermart is 2.6 kilometers away and Hosa Metro is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now one thing that we should not miss is the lake view. So this is the Gattahalli lake for which you'll be getting the lake view apartment for the towers. Now this is your 3 BHK of 1868 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this. So this is the main entrance. The beautiful main entrance with a spacious lobby space for your privacy purpose. And we'll be entering over here into your living and the dining area. So here you'll be getting the L-shaped living and dining area. So this is the part of the living area. You can check out the interior work as well with a beautiful interior work. The sofa set is set over here. Now the spacious balcony which comes with anti-skid tiles, iron railing and 3-side covered balcony. Now about the kitchen and dining area. So here you can check out, this is the kitchen area and over here they have set the dining table, the spacious dining area. And let's move further towards your kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area with the beautiful interior work, the platform, sink, cabinets as well. And it comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose and with the utility area with anti-skid tiles. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So over this side is your bedroom number 1. So just follow me. This is the bedroom number 1. You can check out the beautiful bed space exactly in front of it with the TV unit space. This is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose and the wardrobe space over here. And now let's move further towards another bedroom. One thing let me show you, this is the area which you can use in a multi-purpose way. You can set up a devghar, you can set up a bar or else many more. Now about another bedroom which is over this side. So bedroom number 2 is here. You can check out the beautiful work done and the spacious bedroom with the bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, the washroom, attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom, but before moving further, let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with some sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. Now once you move out from this room, this is the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now walking through this passage area, this is the entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring. This is the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring with a huge bed space. Here is the balcony. The plus point is the balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. You can check out the dressing area, the TV unit space, and the beautiful spacious wardrobe space. Now about washroom is just over this side. The attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings, and even the shower glass partition. This is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings with shower glass partition. Now as you all know, we are here at Adarsh Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all this provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to like and do follow subscribe for such contents.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.